Well, when I reflect on my journey in impact investing over the past years, what has changed? I can say that when I started the journey about 3-4 years ago, I felt that investors were very enthusiastic about impact investing and they wanted to know a lot. And they actually also must it. And then with the changes in the macroeconomic environment, the whole questions of ESG were put a bit in the background and people shifted again back to this classic thinking of risk return. And therefore, I have to admit that it has become more difficult nowadays to talk about impact investing and to convince investors about this type of investing than it had been 3 years ago. Well, what can asset owners do actually to allocate more assets into impact investing? The first thing is to be informed, to know what it is, what it entails, and to go to conferences like these in order to collect information. So inform yourself in order to then think about it and then make a very good decision. But my feeling is that the mainstream investors, in particular in Germany, where I'm coming from, do not know enough, simply do not know enough about what impact investing can do. Well, thinking about the challenges and rewards as an asset owner when it comes to impact investing, I would like to say that the first and foremost challenge probably is for an asset owner to convince its organization about the merits of impact investing. So this is a very, very big hurdle because many people think that impact investing cannot be aligned with making returns, making good performance. This is a very, very big hurdle. And when it comes to the merits and rewards, the best thing is that after a couple of years, you can actually prove with your investments that you have made impact, tangible impact, quantified impact, and have attractive returns. And that is great. Well, thinking about future, what should be done when it comes to impact investing in terms of frameworks or innovations, I would simply like to say that we should be more clear about what kind of impact we mean. You know, you have these differentiations between impact first and finance first. We have completely different impact sectors. So first of all, when you start about talking about impact, define what you mean by this. How do you define impact so that the one whom you would like to convince about what you try to propagate knows exactly what to expect? Because the term is too broad to be understood really in this very concrete sense.